Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Nas and I'm a beauty and lifestyle blogger from London. Check out my Instagram for more content that I don't normally post here.
Ever since the day that you went away.
In today's video, I will be unboxing this amazing Pro Waver from Mermade Hair. I got it over here. This basically helps you make these nice waves in your hair, very easy, very fast as well, and it's super easy to use. I mean, I haven't used this specific one before, and I will be testing it today on my friend Vanessa. She will be joining me after I show you all the contents in the box. So let's talk about the box a little bit. I think it's a very cute packaging. It has a lot of information on it, as their Instagram account, hashtags, but also that it has a 2-year manufacturer warranty, which is quite important. You can choose your temperature from 80 degrees to 210 degrees, which is quite amazing. If you don't want to put too much heat on your hair, you can actually use the lower setting, and that will help prevent any severe damage to your hair. So let's open it to have a first look inside. So this is the contents of the box. So this one is the Pro Waver, which has the bigger waves, the bigger barrels, I guess. So inside you have the Pro Waver in color pink. You have one glove, I guess this is for heat protection for your hand, and a user guide with step-by-step how to curl your hair, I guess, or wave it. Hey, that's actually all the contents, but let's unwrap it for the first time. Ooh. How cool is that? I think it's super beautiful. So as you can see, it has a few buttons over here. It has left, right, and also a switch on and off button, and also a screen where you can check the temperature and see how long the cable is. I feel like when you're using tools, it's quite important to have a long cable, just in case you don't have a plug nearby, and quite often that is the case. So long cable is always a big plus. Okay, so the cable is quite long. It's double my screen size. Oh my god. Yeah, it's quite a long cable, which is quite good. I'm not sure how long exactly, but it seems quite good. So let me call Vanessa here and introduce you to her if you don't know her already. So Vanessa!
Hi! Hi
Over
guys!
here. Sit next to me on this little chair. Vanessa over here is wearing actually pink, just like the Waver, and I'll be doing her hair. So do you have anything special today?
I'm gonna go to Winter Wonderland, so
Ooh.
I'll be ready for Winter Wonderland.
Perfect. So let's wave this hair. So as you can see, her hair is not the cleanest at the moment.
Thanks.
But it's not dirty either, so it's perfect time to use this. When the hair is too clean, sometimes you can cause damage if you have freshly washed it and it's still wet. You don't really want to put heating tools on it. I would wash the hair the night before, and then the next day you can actually wave it and prevent any damage to your hair. Have you ever used a Waver before?
I never have, no.
No? So this is the first time. So I'm gonna prep Vanessa's hair and we can start curling or waving. So guys, I'm gonna be separating the hair into sections, and I'll be taking one section at a time and I'll be waving it. So you always start from the back and you get fairly thick sections, not too thick because you still want them to actually wave, you still need to do it faster. So if you want to do it very slow, you can make them quite thin and it's gonna last you for longer, but I don't really recommend it because it doesn't last that much longer. So now we're gonna be making our way up. So I'm gonna start with this from the root. Hold it on for a few seconds and then make sure you overlap the last wave with the first part of the waver. This will give continuity. And voila, the first wave is here. So now I'm gonna do this all the way up. So guys, now we have finished and I'm just gonna style it so we can unlock all the waves. I'm gonna be using the Amica dry shampoo just for the roots to make sure that there's no oiliness, and it also to give some more volume. I'm gonna use the Got to Be Plumped, which will help to define more and give more matte effect towards the ends. I'm gonna use the Instant Shine hairspray just to make the hair look more healthy. Good. So this is the end effect, and yeah, I think it looks beautiful. It looks very cute. Some beach waves. So if you want the waver, if you like the waver and how it works, you can check it out in the link in my bio. I'm also gonna add Vanessa's Instagram, my Instagram, and also my blog. So make sure that you check them out, and also make sure you leave a comment, subscribe, and like this video.
Thanks, guys.
Thank you. Bye.